This is how you make top ramen. DIY. How to make top ramen. Top ramen. Okay, so. First, I get this. Crush it up into 4 pieces. I have no bowls, so I'm gonna use this one. Then you want to put some water in the bowl. So like this. Make sure you don't fill it up all the way out. Around. Around like this much, around like that. Then what you want to do is you want to get your microwave. Oh, set it for 3 minutes. And let that cook. Okay, these are my 2 dogs. Boo and Hershey. Hershey, say hi. Hello. This is Coco. Say hi, Coco. Hi. Okay, so we have basically a minute left. I'll be back in around a minute. And my dogs are both girls. If anybody wondered, they're both girls. Okay, now what you want to do is open it up. You might want to get some stuff because it's hot. It's okay. Now you take it out. If it's not all the way cooked, you can put it back in for another 30 seconds. So now what you want to do, you want to get a fork. You want to pour it out. So let me get this. Or if you want some soup left, you can leave it some of it in there. Like me, I like soup in mine, so I keep some of it in. Can you see all the steam that's coming up? It's even coming up from there too. So now what you want to do is you want to stir it up, just like this. You will stir it until it becomes like they're all loose and by themselves. I got shout outs to Frankie Joe, for being the first person to comment on my first video. Make sure that's all stirred up. Oh yeah, looks like this. We're done. Hey, Nana.
Where Coco?